right, so today we're going to talk about word problems. So you can solve them all the same way we've done everything else, either graphing, substitution, or elimination, but you have to write the equation first. So to start off, solve these two equations using either substitution or elimination, whichever one you think is easier. All right, this first one I'm going to use substitution because we already have an y equals. So I can take this and plug it in for y right there. So negative 2x minus 3 times 6x minus 11 equals negative 7. Then we can distribute the 3 in. Negative 2x minus 18x plus 33 equals negative 7. You'll get negative 20x plus 33 equals negative 7. Negative 20x equals negative 40. X is going to equal 2. Make sure to take that up and plug it back in up here. So you'll get y equals 6 times 2 minus 11, which if you simplify is going to give you 1. So you have 1 comma or 2 comma 1 as your solution. This next one I'm going to do by elimination because you can cancel those out. So then you'll end up getting 6y equals negative 36 divided by 6, and y equals negative 6. Take this then and plug it back in for y. So you have negative 4x minus 2 times negative 6 equals negative 12. Negative 4x plus 12 equals negative 12. Negative 4x equals negative 24. X will equal positive 6 here. Okay, so some word problems. So first you gotta define the variables and we gotta write out our equations and solve them. So a test contains 40 questions worth a total of 100 points. Each question is worth either 1 point or 3 points. How many of each type of question is there? So let's say X is the 1 point questions and Y is the 3 point. It doesn't really matter as long as you write your variable. You could switch this and say Y is 3 points and X is 1 point. It doesn't matter at all which one you do. So our equations, we know total there's 40 questions. So if we add those two together, we need to get a total of 40. And then our points are 100. So each X is 1 point, each Y is 3 points. And together they have to equal 100 points. Now at this point you can solve. There's lots of options here, but I'm going to do elimination. You can do substitution, but if I multiply this by negative 1, we'll get a nice elimination problem. So we'll get negative x minus y equals negative 40, and then x plus 3y equals 100. So those cancel. You get 2y equals 60 or y equals 30. Take that and plug it back in for y. So x plus 30 equals 40, x equals 10. So there's 10 1-point questions and 30 3-point questions on this test. Okay, another one. So you're going to a concert. A group of 15 friends go to the concert. Each person buys a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, not both. T-shirts are $25, sweatshirts are $35. Total, they spent $465. So we got to figure out how many t-shirts were bought and how many sweatshirts. So let's say X is the t-shirts and Y is the sweatshirts. Again, you could flip that and it wouldn't matter. So if we write these out, there's 15 people total. So total we need 15 things bought. Shirts are 25. 35 for the sweatshirts is going to equal our total amount of money. And then here again, it's up to you how you want to solve. I'm going to do this one by substitution. So if I rewrite this equation, we can get that x equals 15 minus y. And I'm going to plug that in for y right here. So, for x. I should plug it in right here for x. So 25 times 15 minus y plus 35y equals 465. Multiply 25 by 15 to get 375 minus 25y plus 35y equals 465. combine like terms, and I'm going to subtract the 375 over. So you'll get 10y equals 90, y equals 9. Again, plug back in up here, and you'll get x is 5. So you have 5 t-shirts and 9. So this should be 10 right here. Nope, that's 9. I subtracted wrong. That should be 6. Sorry. And then 9 sweatshirts. There you go. All right, last one. So basketball team scores 64 points total and makes 28 baskets. How many 2-point shots were made? How many 3-point shots were made? So let's say X is your 2-point shots, Y is your 3-point shots. Again, you could flip that around, it doesn't matter. We know that there was 28 baskets made, and total you had 64 points. Again, you could do substitution, you could do graphing, you could do elimination, it's up to you. I'm going to do substitution. So this is going to give me X equals 28 minus Y. And we'll plug it in right here. So 2 times 28 minus Y plus 3Y equals 64. You'll get 56 minus 2Y plus 3Y equals 64. Combine these together and subtract 56 to get Y equals 8. And then take that and plug it in up here. So X equals 28 minus 8, X equals 20. In context of the problem, you're going to have 22 points and 8 3 points. So then make sure you're working on the 6.4 homework.